Merry Christmas to everyone who is celebrating Christmas. I wish you a very beautiful festive season. But I feel like Christmas or the festive season has changed so much. Back then, when we were still kids, Christmas was so exciting because we used to go and visit the grandparents or the aunties and uncles. Basically, we used to go to the villages, or the village used to come to us. You get what I mean? People used to visit. Like, Christmas was all about uniting and coming together and celebrating together, getting, gifts and drinking soda. Soda was so exciting when we were still kids. But now you can hear the silence in my house. You can feel the silence in my house. Of course, my mother, a few people are going to come around tomorrow, Boxing Day. But today, it is all about silence. And it's more like you cannot even go to them because they also have plans to go somewhere else. So they just have to come to you. That is what Christmas is. Since I took this path of spirituality, a lot of things changed. I feel like, first of all, I personally no longer feel the whole season like it no longer excites me. And the fact that I turned vegan, I'm literally completely vegetarian. I don't eat any animal products at all, not even blue band, not even eggs, not even milk. So everybody's like, I don't want to invite you. I don't want to invite you to my home because what am I going to feed you? We don't want to cook beans on Christmas. So it's funny. I'm actually preparing to cook something. So yeah, it's funny. It's so funny. I feel like talking about it. And I know I'm not the only one who feels like Christmas is no longer Christmas because it's no longer exciting, and also the moment you wake up, the moment you know what things are, the moment you know what you truly are, the moment you know what Christ is and who Christ is, without this image that was painted to you as a child, the moment you know that you are Christ and Christ is consciousness, everything changes. Everything changes. I feel like I also feel bad that I'm no longer innocent, I'm no longer innocent. When I was innocent, I used to enjoy my Christmas. I was ignorant. And now that I know what I know, it is just another day, a normal day. And whew, but yeah, I'm gonna celebrate with my family tomorrow because they do actually believe in Christmas. They do believe in a lot of things. They do believe basically. But as of today, the Christmas day today, no, it's just silence and my electricity thing that is beeping the whole time. But I'm so excited for you guys because it's been a long year. Finally, we made it to. I'm feeling Irish. Finally, we made it to another Christmas together. I'm so glad that you have been supporting my channel. A lot of changes have happened on my channel. I have personally gone through a lot of changes. It's my first Christmas as a mom. It's my child's first Christmas. And for those who are asking, how old is my baby? He's gonna make 5 months next month, at the beginning of next month. So he's literally 4.5 months right now. And I'm excited. When I was beginning the journey of motherhood, it was also very intimidating and not easy at all. I didn't know what to do. It was a lot. I will talk about all those things at the right time. As of now, I'm still walking the journey, and I'm still going through so many changes personally. The body, I get so tired. I don't sleep well, and I try. But I'm here now. I'm here. I'm gonna cook some food. Um, so today I'm gonna make like Irish. I'm not gonna show you the food, but I'm just saying, just in case you want to know what I'm gonna eat on Christmas, I'm gonna make like some Irish, and then some rice. The rice is somewhere. There is some nice rice that we have in Uganda that is called basmati. That's what I'm gonna eat today. And then yeah, some vegetables as well. So tomorrow is when I'm gonna cook a lot of food because my people are visiting. Usually when people come, I do cook for them, like chicken, beef, what. I cook the best animal, like I cook animal products very well. I cook the best chicken, I cook the best beef, but I don't eat it. Even when I'm cooking, I don't even taste. But people who are eating are like, oh my goodness, this is so nice. And they usually feel bad for me. Like, we feel bad that you're not eating this because it's so delicious. So I know, because when I was still eating those things, I used to make them very well. And the recipe is still within me. I am the source, so it never died out. So yeah, people visit and they eat whatever they want. But as of me, I don't. I don't. So today, I'm just gonna keep it simple. And you know, it's just a day. Tomorrow, when my mom is here, mm, I cook. I cook and cook and cook. So guys, I don't know why my video is doing this, but I thank you for watching my video, and I'm excited for you. May this season be the best, the best, the best, the best. So guys, enjoy your Christmas. So the balloons in the background, my little brother put them there. So but yeah guys, enjoy your Christmas. I love you. Thank you for supporting me. So grateful, and I love you. Kisses.